Welcome back to my channel, guys. Let's cook some tin mackerel and vegetable fritters. So for my dumplings, I'm using 1 cup of flour, some vegetables which includes bell peppers, green and red, and also some scotch bonnet pepper and green onions. I'm also adding some salt, black pepper, and onion powder, and I'm mixing that up. I'll also be adding some milk. I don't use water in mine because I realize that the milk gives it a better texture and flavor. Then I'm just adding some more, and I'm just gonna whisk that until it's smooth. Then in a saucepan and medium heat, I'm just dropping some of my dumplings with a tablespoon, and I'm just gonna fry those for about a minute on each side until it's golden brown.
Watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion cruise.
So guys, for my tin mackerel, I'm sauteing some vegetables, which includes red and green bell peppers and onions. I didn't have any tomatoes. I seem to have run out of tomatoes, so I'll just use a ketchup as a substitute. Then I'm just gonna saute that until it's fragrant. Then I'll be adding my tin mackerel. I love tin mackerel. I'm Jamaican. I love tin mackerel so much. Then I'm just gonna saute that until the sauce has reduced a little bit. Then I'll be adding some black pepper, and as I said, the ketchup. So guys, if you know you want to whip up something real quick, I mean, this is your meal right here. This is your go-to meal. But anyways, guys, this is the end of my video, my tin mackerel and dumpling, and I also add some avocado on the side. I love you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification, like, comment, share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.